So good morning, everybody. As all of you know that FTI has announced the entrance exam date of JET 2021 and it's going to be in the month of December. So hardly a month is left. Now, many of you would be preparing for quite many months and some of you would have just started. So 28 days is not really enough, but still I would say you can brush up your knowledge, you can attempt in a more serious manner, provided you prepare seriously. So at least one thing you need to do is stop using the mobile phone. Sit in front of the computer or a laptop. That is the best way. If you keep sleeping in the bed and scrolling in the mobile, it doesn't work. Okay. The way I'm sitting in front of a computer right now, this is first thing you need to do. A. B. Dedicate 12 hours a day. If you're doing a job somewhere, take a leave. Otherwise, it's not going to happen. Okay. Second important thing, all of you know that this year, the FTI has changed the examination pattern. And be very, very careful. What change they have made, you must have read it, but let me give you a little more detail about it. They have made first part 1, which is of a 50 marks, in which 20 marks are devoted to MCQ and 30 marks are devoted to respective specialization MSQ. MSQ is another name of MCQ, which is a fact-oriented question like MCQ. MCQ has a 1 correct answer. MSQ would have a 2, 3, or maybe 4 also. And accordingly, there is a negative marking of 0.25%, which you must have read it, and it is very clearly explained over there. I'm not getting into it. What I'm getting into is the ratio. The ratio of the acting course, which is the most important course for FTI because it receives maximum number of application, is 1:45 for general category. Which means if there are 5 seats, they would check only 225 answer sheet of subjective paper of part B. Of those students who would receive highest marks in part 1, which is MCQ and MSQ. So both are very, very important. Does not mean that you ignore the part B. Ignore part B, you're out. So part B would be checked. That is what I mean to say. So you have to pay a little more attention to the MCQ and MSQ. And obviously also for the part B, because if the part, even if you qualify in the part A, does not mean you are being shortlisted for the audition. It means your paper B would be checked. So far, this is the rule. Okay. Now, I have, and also for the general category for other courses, those who are not from acting, the ratio is a little different. So for example, if you are applying for another course, say direction or cinematography or editing, the ratio is 1:15, which means for 5 seats, there would be 75 students would be shortlisted whose part B answer sheet would be checked. Okay. So far, so 75 in general category I'm talking about, and there are 5 seats. So out of that, 1:3 is the ratio. So if 75 papers would be checked, I'm expecting normally 800 student in direction is the, for general category I'm talking about, SC, ST, OBC I'm not talking about at all. 700 for cinematography, 600 for editing, etc. So 800 will be 1,600 candidates for the direction in general category this year, because last year students who were supposed to appear in the month of February, they are waiting, and the new people who are going to graduate next year, they would also be applied. So 1,600 general category student would appear in the direction course. This is the expected number. It could be more, it could be little less also. 1,400 for the cinematography, 1,200 for editing. This is and for acting course, 3,000 students from general category are expected to appear, and 225 people would be shortlisted to be evaluated, to be considered for the paper B to be checked. As I said, so far this is the rule. Now, what I'm coming to the section called what exactly is this MSQ business, a little bit more detailed so that you will understand in a much more clear manner. So I'm sharing the screen, where I have explained it a little better. Okay, so now you could see this screen over here, and you could also see, let me just give me a moment. Okay, now here you could see the screen where I have formulated some sample answers to explain better to you guys, because on the FTI website, they have just given a general idea, but not a specific case study from a particular domain. So for example, in acting, what kind of MSQ can be formulated? Which of the following statement about Marlon Brando is correct? He is 8-time nominated and 2-time Oscar winner. Yes. He is an Oscar winner for the film On the Waterfront by Elia Kazan. Yes. He's not acted in the film Last Tango in Paris, but also not only acted in the film Last Tango in Paris, but also directed. No, he just acted in that film. It was directed by Bernardo Bertolucci. Lead actress in the film Last Tango in Paris is Maria Schneider. Yes. So basically, 3 answers are correct: A, B, and D. This is a MSQ on acting. One sample. I'm coming to the another one. Which among the following about FTI alumni is correct? Again, these are actor and actresses. I'm asking about the question. Shabana Azmi received the National Award for debut film. Yes. Jaya Bahadur received the National Award for debut film. No. Rehana Sultan received the National Award for debut film. Yes. Shabana Azmi and Jaya Bahadur received the National Award for debut film. No. So basically, two answers are correct: A and C. I have formulated another one. Which among the following is true about Shabana Azmi? She was the jury member in Cannes Film Festival. Yes. She has won Palme d'Or award in the Cannes Film Festival. No. Some of her films are shown in the main competitive section of Cannes Film Festival. No. Khandhar, it was directed by Manal Sen, starring Shabana Azmi, screened in the uncertain regard section of the Cannes Film Festival. Yes. So you can imagine there could be a 2 question which could be correct, or 3 question also. This is the information level. Part B is also information level. There is no imagination required to answer these questions, so far as this is my understanding. But if they can formulate a question in which imagination may be required, I can't think of it. At least I can't. There could be a question connected with a play. They could suppose this character of Shakespeare play is being in which particular play of the Shakespeare, and so some or 2-3 plays put together can also be one question related to Shakespeare. So you need to be a little more alert this time. It is a good sign in some way or other that 50 marks are 30 marks are being shifted to the MSQ part, which is objective, and you can score definitely 30 out of 30 if your preparation is really, really brilliant. But it is a very, very domain specific. Your knowledge has to be really brilliant about theater, about cinema. Only then you would be able to answer this question, particularly the acting techniques, the deeper acting technique, because they might dig something from inside. So about the Natya Shastra. So little bit more deeper, not just a surface knowledge, but little bit more deeper, because they will formulate certain questions from the deep inside this MSQ part. Coming to the cinematography, which of the following is true about the ND filter? It cuts down the intensity of light without affecting the color temperature. Yes. ND filter can be used in front and back of the lens camera. Yes. It is also available mixed with 85 orange filter. Yes. It is also available mixed with the 80B blue filter. No. So this is incorrect. ABC is correct. So this is a domain specific technical question, okay, which is going to be in the MSQ, which can be in MSQ. For example, there could be a little non-technical question. For example, which of the following is true about the Ashok Mehta? He received the National Award for Best Cinematography for 36 Chaurangi Lane. Yes. He did not receive the national. He not only received the National Award for Best Cinematography for Moksha, but he also directed it. Yes. Indian Postal Services issues a stamp in his honor. Yes. He is a Padma Shri awardee. No. So A, B, C are correct. So I've given you 2 questions related to cinematographer or cinematography or technical understanding of cinematography, where the photography is a part of it also. So they can ask about painters, they can ask about cinematographers, Oscar winning cinematographer, National Award winning cinematographer. They can really, really make a complicated question. If your knowledge is not very sure, it is like 2 MCQ or 3 MCQ put together in one. That's why the marks are 2. Coming to the direction and screenplay course, which is another equally respected course and equally competent after the acting. Just give me a moment, please. Okay, gentlemen, we'll continue what we were talking about. So, as I said that direction student, for direction course, what kind of MSQ can come? So I would give you an example for direction. Which among the following is true about the Saath Khoon Maaf? The film won the National Award for the director Vishal Bhardwaj. Film is based on the story of Ruskin Bond. Film has Irfan Khan, Priyanka Chopra, and Akshay Kumar. It was an Indian entry for the foreign language Oscar for that film. So you can figure it out from these 4 statements, which one is correct. Okay. That kind of a question. I'm just giving an example, that kind of a question. So this was a brief about the variety of question which can be asked. And as I said, for direction, there could be a question related to the mise en scene. There could be a multiple 2-3 questions put together related to a particular film, about actor, actresses, who wrote the screenplay, if it is an important screenplay writer, particularly for international films, which award, which film got it, national award, etc., etc. Now, recently, Padma Shri is being, I'm just coming to another section now, how to prepare for MCQ part, which is equally important for 20 marks. So I would be sharing another part of the screen. This is a particular site of which we have prepared. Many of you have subscribed to it. And in this one, we have segregated a lot of information related to the MCQ part. So as you can see, there is a section called current affair. So this current affair is not connected with the politicians and things like that. This current affair is connected with the art and culture. For example, last year, this year, Usha Ganguly passed away. So if you don't know who is Usha Ganguly, you have no idea about theatre in Calcutta. Okay, so she is that a celebrity in terms of her personality. So Usha Ganguly is related to which of the following fields? Writer, theatre director, journalist, film critics. Very simple question, but if you don't know, it is a difficult question. So, for example, which among the following is the title for which Anamika received the Sahitya Academy Award in 2020? Why this question is important? Because the first time a woman was given a Sahitya Academy Award for a poetry. First time. So, the name of the book. So, Tokri Mein Digangat is the name of the particular book. So here we have also given the image of that particular, this is a writer, and this is the Tokri Mein Digang Theri Gatha 2014. So this is a cover of the book. So such kind of question can be formulated, connected with contemporary people. Okay. Same for the English, who has got it. So then we have a question connected with the music, which are 121. Cinema, we have a 1, 2, 3, 3 questions, which is connected with Tamil. Hollywood, we have played more. Cannes Film Festival, 88 questions. Documentaries, FTI alumni. They can ask any question connected to the FTI alumni also. Foreign language Oscars, Marathi cinema, Hindi art house, European cinema. We have 355 questions connected to European cinema. Bengali cinema is more important than the rest of the other parts. So we have concentrated on Bengali cinema also, West Bengal, 108. So such are the categories. Then the painting, we have a 493 question connected with various famous paintings. Say, for example, if you don't have a time to read about everyone, so you could just read the famous painting, who are the painters. The Indian painters, we will be loading much more, because every month, if you look into what is new. So in the month of November, we have loaded around 593 questions in this particular section. Okay. So you can imagine how many updates we keep doing it. It is not once it is made, we have forgotten about this site. No, we keep updating. Similarly, there will be many more questions connected with photography. Dance, we already have a 158 questions. Theatre, Indian and international. Indian theatre, 91 questions. International theatre, 84 questions. So these are the various categories. Sculpture, award, which is whether it's a Bharat Ratna, National Award, Sahitya Academy Award, Gyanpith Award, Camera d'Or, Nobel Prize, Palme d'Or. Connected question with the literature, Hindi books, autobiography of actors, books by, say, for example, Osho, which is recommended by him, autobiography of others, books on cinema, films based on books, because sometimes they can ask which this film is based on which story or which novel, which is a very, very important part. And architecture, we have roughly around 188 architecture question. Indian architecture 20 and international is 168 question we have, and we are updating it. So this site would be really helpful for those who are willing to sign up. It is not very costly, it's 1,000 rupees only. So if you're really serious about your preparation, you could sign up for this. And we also have an online coaching program for which we are having a recorded lecture of the classes which have already gone. So it is a 60 days, 120-hour program, which started on the 15th of September. Many of you have already joined it, and you can ask from anyone whosoever has joined. It is a value for money and time which is devoting. Particularly for a direction student, we really have a brilliant 8 to 10 student who are online, because we don't take more than 50. So roughly around 40 students we have enrolled. 10 students we can take more maximum, and similarly for others also. And if you're really keen, you can click on the link given below in the description, and that's it. The people who would be signing up for only video lectures, there would not be any interaction with them. Those who really wanted to ask questions and their email to be answered, they can join the interactive. There's a difference between 10,000 versus 15,000 rupees. Site is for 1,000 rupees. That's it. So I wish you all the best. And as I said, I would be coming out with another video about little more detailed thing about respective domain, whether it is a cinematography, whether it is acting, whether it is direction. These are the three main domains. We take care of it, though we also have the content for editing as well as sound recording. So that's it. If you have a query, you can send an email. My email address is given below over there in the description section, where you can send me a mail. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. And this year, as I said, the double number of applications are going to come, and it will be more tougher, because so far the rule is, if you do not figure it out in the merit of first part, which is MCQ and MSQ, your second part would not be checked. That is the rule till this date. Good luck. Bye-bye.